And welcome to Academy and more. In this session, we are going to take a look at four maintenance KPIs engineers should know. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what are the key metrics that drive reliability and performance. So what it means? So it is abbreviated as key performance indicator. And in terms of maintenance, it means that it is a measurable indicator of maintenance performance. So you have some tangible evidence of how well you have executed your maintenance strategy. So this is what KPI is all about. And it tracks reliability, efficiency, and cost. So obviously in a workshop where let's say you are going to perform some kind of maintenance on an equipment like crane. So if you are doing that, obviously your line managers and management would need to know that how reliable would your system be, maintenance system be, and how efficient it will be, and what is the cost it will incur so that the machine is ready and they would perform the job or give it on rent to some other company. So that's what KPI will be doing if you have the ability to implement it correctly in your maintenance facility. So and it enables better decision making. So let's say if the cost of maintenance repairs is higher than the asset value, then obviously you'll be able to make a better decision based on the statistics and measurable data. And it is a foundation for continuous improvement in maintenance strategies and within the maintenance teams as well. So to summarize it, maintenance KPIs are measurable indicators used to evaluate how well a maintenance program performs. They help track reliability, efficiency, and cost. Most importantly, what they do is that they provide data that engineers and managers can use to make better decisions and drive continuous improvement. So now we are going to take a look at our first KPI in maintenance, which is mean time between failures, or MTBF. So it is one of the most imperative KPI that every uh, organization that has some maintenance works going on, they will look at it seriously. What is mean time between failures of running equipments? So basically, it is a reliability indicator. How reliable is your system? Would it fail when you are going to when you need it, or would it be available to perform its intended function? So this is mean time between failure. Higher mean time between failure is basically indicates that the machine has few failures and it is available to perform the job. So the desirable thing is that engineers should try to keep the MTBF as high as possible to avoid maintenance, repetitive maintenance. So mean time between failure is basically the duration between two successive failures. So if you are going to evaluate it, how you can calculate MTBF? So total operating time divided by number of failures. So you'll get the data that can be in terms of years or that can be in terms of hours as well. So mean time between failure, or MTBF, is one of the core reliability metrics. It tells you how long an asset runs on average before it fails. A higher MTBF means fewer failures and better reliability. The second one is mean time to repair. So obviously, if you are going to have a better mean time between failures, a high mean time between failure, then your maintenance program or strategy should be as efficient as possible so that you can get the maximum uptime of your equipment. So that's where mean time to repair comes in. So this is another important KPI. So it measures speed of repair. Like in layman language, you can say that how fast your repair works are going to be. So how would you calculate it? You will divide the total repair time divided by number of repairs on a particular equipment. So lower MTTR improves reliability and is desirable. So basically, lower MTTR is an indicator that your maintenance program is well executed and is effective. So it measures the average time required to repair an asset after a failure. Lowering MTTR helps improve system availability and reduces downtime. And the third KPI is preventive maintenance compliance or PMC. So as we know that preventive maintenance is performed on predetermined intervals. So how well you are going to execute this maintenance program, it sets another important KPI which is very effective to maintain your machinery. So it is basically a percentage of PM tasks completed on time, and it indicates the discipline in maintenance execution. So if it is well disciplined and well executed, it means that your KPI would going to be very high. And you can set the target as per your requirement or your management style. So it can be like 90 to 100%. So preventive maintenance compliance shows the percentage of scheduled PM tasks completed on time. High PMC means that the team is disciplined and following the maintenance strategy. And the final KPI is maintenance cost as percentage of replacement asset value. So as I said earlier, let's say if your repair cost is higher than the replacement of the asset or the asset value, then obviously you are going to skip the maintenance and purchase a new equipment. So this is another KPI. So it measures cost efficiency. So the benchmark is 2 to 4% of replacement asset value. So let's say if your asset is worth of $10,000, so 2 to 4% means that 200 to 400 dollars of the maintenance. So that should cost the maintenance, okay? And it helps identify cost optimization opportunities. So this KPI evaluates maintenance cost efficiency by comparing annual maintenance cost to the assets replacement value. Most healthy organizations stay within 2 to 4%, and that is desirable. So that's all for today, and I'll see you in the next session.